Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta. I have sent the previous video explanation of the climate chapter. Now in this video we will discuss the LC of SST assignment 3 climate chapter 4 for the unit test second. Now first question is how many seasons do you experience mainly in India, name them. So mainly in India seasons are summer, winter and monsoon. What is humidity? The humidity, the amount of the water vapor present in the air, called humidity. Now, third question is which place receives the highest rainfall in India? So, Mawsynram in Khasi Hill in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall in India. You have to write the full answer. Now, fill in the blanks. Wind full of moisture that bring rain to India are called monsoon winds. In B questions, in summer, days are, as you observe, days are longer than the nights. And the C, in winter season, days are short and nights are long. And which is the coldest month of the year? January. Now you have to learn the definition according to you. And now we will discuss the fill in the blanks. First fill in the blanks is it is hot and dry in the Thar desert because less of rainfall. And second, the climate of the place affect the people living there. उस जगह का क्लाइमेट पीपल की लिविंग देयर पर इफेक्ट करता ही है. नाउ सी क्लाइमेट इन द अराउंड चेन्नई इज वार्म एंड ह्यूमिड बिकॉज ऑफ कोस्टल एरिया बिकॉज ऑफ सी प्लेसेस. नाउ डी क्वेश्चन places near the sea coast have a moderate climate because of sea. Okay, now answer in one word. The amount of the water vapor in the air is called humidity. B, the average weather condition over a long period of the time is climate. And now C, a factor that determines the climate of a place, wind. It can be humidity also, other any factor also, any other factor. And D is the area between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole is frigid zone. Now true and false. The peak of the high mountain are covered with snow throughout the year. Yes, peak of mountain are always covered with the snow. And second question is the climate of an area is not affected by the winds. Affected by the winds because this is the affected factor. Now see, it is false. C, places near the equator receives the maximum heat from the sun. True. Now third is the higher place is from the sea level, the cooler it is. True. Polar zone is also known as frigid zone. Yes, this is the another name of the frigid zone is polar zone. This is true. Now question is who are meteorologists? You can find the answer in your book. Did you know? Answer is study scientists who study and predict weather are called meteorologists. Now next question is Hyderabad is hotter in summer and cooler in winter than Vishakhapatnam. Give reason. Yes, Hyderabad is hotter in summer and cooler in winter due to its weather condition. For example, temperate wind, humidity. These are all the affecting factor. Why is the frigid zone cold throughout the year? Because the frigid zone is cold throughout the year because it receives very little sun rays and the last part of the area are covered with snow. So, frigid zone cold throughout the year. Now study the climate map, page number 26 given in the your book carefully and answer the following question. Now come on the book, page number 26. Which are the areas with the coldest climate? Antarctica and Greenland. Second is name two continent through pa, uh, through which equator passes. दो कॉन्टिनेंट के नाम बताने हैं जिससे इक्वेटर से वो पास होते हैं, अफ्रीका एंड साउथ अमेरिका. ओके, नाउ थर्ड वन इज व्हाट डज द रेड कलर इन द मैप इंडिकेट. रेड कलर क्या इंडिकेट करता है? वेरी हॉट एंड ड्राई. ओके, चूज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. The presence of the mountain, ocean, and desert in the place affect its climate. Of course, it's affect the climate. And second one is the area between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn is known as the torrid zone. Now, third one is sea which brings rain to a large part of India is Arabian Sea. And now, D question: zone lies between tropical area and the polar zone is temperate zone. And the climate of the Mumbai is moderate because it is situated on the sea coast. Now, look at the map of the world showing the heat zone on the earth. Now write down the name of the five countries located in each zone. Yes. Now in frigid zone there are countries Canada, Greenland, Norway, Russia and Siberia. These are the countries which located in frigid zone. And the next one is torrid zone. Torrid zone में है Brazil, Sri Lanka, Kenya, India, Africa. And now temperate zone: Mexico, Italy, England, Germany, and Mongolia. These are the countries in temperate zone. Now you have to find out the five cities of India located in the different zone in which India lies. Okay, temperate zone में है लखनऊ, दिल्ली, आगरा, सिंगापुर, शिमला, श्रीनगर. Okay, now torrid zone: Mumbai, Nagpur, Surat, Hyderabad and Chennai. Pune, Chhattisgarh. These are on torrid zone. Visakhapatnam also in torrid zone. And now in frigid zone, as you know, our India doesn't belong to frigid zone. So there is no one country or no one cities in India. There is no one cities in India which belong into the frigid zone. Now all of you have to fill in this map all the countries according to each zone. Thank you.